Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. To begin the project, we need some yarn. The ones I have are acrylic yarns, and I'll be using a 5mm and a 4mm hook. If you don't have a smaller size, then one size is okay. A pair of scissors and yarn needle. Alright, let's get started. Firstly, leave a long tail. I'm leaving about 6 inches. Then make a slip knot. Insert the hook. And make a chain of 40. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Once we have 40 chains, start on the second chain from hook, this one, place a single crochet, insert, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Then place another single crochet into the same chain. And one more single crochet into the same chain. Total 3 single crochet. In the next chain, 3 single crochet. 1, 2, 3. In the next chain, 3 single crochet. 1, 2, and 3. As you can see, it's starting to curve. Continue to place 3 single crochet in each chain. In the last chain, after 3 single crochet, 1 chain, pull up a loop, and leave it on the side. Repeat and make another one with a different color. If you notice, I have not cut the tail. Once we have 2 colors, we are going to place them in between each other. Start from the top. Once it's done, twist them to make them fit more closely and tighter. Alright, it is normal one is longer than the other one. What we are going to do is to release some of the red yarn. And I think that's enough. 1 chain, then cut yarn. And I'm also going to untie this and release some of the yarn. The next step is to connect the 2 ends together. So grab your yarn needle, then do the same with the other color. Then tie the tails together. Next is to grab the yellow yarn, make a slip knot, and this time I'm using a smaller size hook, which is my 4mm hook. Make a chain of 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Start on the second chain from hook, turn to the back. In the little bump at the back of the chain, place a single crochet, then single crochet into the next chain, then single crochet into every chain all the way across. Total 10 stitches. At the end of the chain, one chain, and turn, single crochet into the first stitch. Make sure to insert into 2 loops. In the next stitch, single crochet into the back loop, which is the far away loop from us. Single crochet into the back loop, and single crochet into the back loop until the last stitch. In the last stitch, single crochet into 2 loops, just like the first stitch. One chain and turn. And we're going to repeat this for 2 more rows, total 4 rows of single crochet. And leave a long tail at the end. Once we have 4 rows of single crochet, bring the tails to the center. And with the long tail, I'm also going to bring it to the center. Then wrap it around once, twice, and there you go. The next step is stitch the 2 pieces together. And lastly, I like to bring all the tail together at the top of the center. Then tie a knot. Leave some space to hang and tie another knot at the top. And voila! Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!